Hello, good people of Antiquity TV. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Okay, today we are in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen and I have brought another food vlog to you guys. So today, the last time I did a review of Chinese food, I bought an egg for the first time. Check it out if you haven't seen the video. It is right there in the corner, so just check it out. So today on food vlog, what we'll be doing is you know this popular what I ordered versus what I got, when you order a very designer gown and all of that, and then the tailor brings it to you like gown. What am I saying? Like, what is this? Where have you bring this one from? That is what you are doing today. So, although you guys should not laugh me, you like seriously. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing what I bought versus what I made. So yeah, I bought barbecue fish, Nigerian barbecue fish. I bought one. Then I'm going to be making another one. Then we'll just compare it together. So what I bought versus what I made. It's my first time actually making barbecue fish, so cut me some slices. This was the fish I bought for 2,500 naira. This is the one I'll be making. So slippery, God. These are my ingredients, will be named in the description. I shred my pepper, I grind it, and then I sieve water. I squeeze my lemon. I put my ingredients one after the other, including the lemon. Then I mix it together. This is my fish. I'm cutting it in places so that I'll be able to insert the pepper. So now I'm going to be putting the pepper into the fish in every places that I have cut it. The fish need to soak everything in, so I'm just making sure of that. Then it goes into a foil paper. Here goes the garnishing. I do not have some essential things like potato, fried plantain, and fried yam. I should have put it with some cucumber and more of onion into it. So guys, we wrap it up and then it goes into the oven. I turned it twice, up and down, and voila, this is the one that I got. And this is the one that I made. Okay guys, we have our guest here that is going to test the fishes. I have her eyes covered, so I'll give her the fishes to taste one by one, and then she will comment on the fishes without knowing which one is which, so she will not be biased. I actually got the fish from a very popular, popular place around here, popular barbecue spot around here. So yeah, and then this is my own. I told you guys not to shade me. I said don't shade me, it's my first time, so yeah. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm going to cut a small part of the fish. She will know which one I cut to. She must not know. So she must not know. So I'm going to give it to her. So, no, don't open your mouth. Close it here. So I'm going to give it to her. Okay. Oh my god, it's the fish. Okay. So what do you think?
This is yours.
Eh?
The one you made.
The one I made. Just comment on it. How is it?
Yes. It's nice, but wow. It's very fish. It's nice.
It's nice, but it's very
Yeah.
Does it taste good?
Small. It's manageable.
I actually bought the fish. I actually have the one I bought for 2.5. So I assume they sell barbecue fish for 2.5. So if you have to buy that for 2.5, will you be satisfied?
No.
You won't be
I
satisfied.
won't.
Okay, taste this one.
Ah!
What do you think about this one?
This one is not pepper.
This one is not peppery.
I think maybe this is the one.
You're thinking. This one is not peppery. How about the taste?
No, this is the one.
How about the taste now?
This is one.
Okay, guys, I'm giving up. Thank you for coming. Oh my god. Guys. Okay, so you heard what my reviewer said, right? He said the one I bought is sweet and peppery, but she cannot buy it for the price. And then the one I made, she said it is also more pepperish, and then did you say it's not even sweet? Don't mind that. You're eating it like that. Anyhow, first try and But yeah, that is it about what I bought versus what I made. So I hope you actually enjoy it. The recipe is actually, it's not the recipe, I just watched a lot of videos and then I put mine together. To compliment you all, I did not wait for the fish to be done properly because I was in the haste to shoot the video. But after that video, I put it back in the oven and waited severally for it to be done properly. But then I feel that barbecue fish is a very easy thing to do. Like you can just do at home. Once you have the fish and you have a oven, you can just do it anytime you like, and it is quite easy. Make the pepper, marinate the fish, and then put it in the oven. Voila. So yeah, that is it on the video. I hope you like the video. I hope you would like the video and drop your comment. Please drop your comment for me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It is all in the description below, so do check it out. Bye bye.